Welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video, I am going to explain MS Excel lesson from class 9 Computer Science book. What is spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer application for organization, analysis, and storage of data in tabular form. Spreadsheets were developed as computerized analog of paper accounting worksheets. MS Excel, a program in which you enter data into column, is example of spreadsheet program. Lotus and MS Excel is most widely used spreadsheet program. Advantages of spreadsheet program. Large volume of numerical data can be manipulated easily. Formula and functions make calculation easier. Different types of chart can be created. Can share easily. Can export or import data easily to other application. Multiple user can use same file at same time. Some facts about spreadsheet program. VisiCalc is the first spreadsheet program. OpenOffice Calc is a free-to-use spreadsheet program. There are 104857 rows and 16384 columns in MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. In a spreadsheet, rows are denoted as number such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and columns are denoted as alphabet such as A, B, C till XFD. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. It features calculations, graphing tools, pivot table and macro. Programming language called Visual Basic for applications. It has been very widely applied spreadsheet for this platform, especially since version 5 in 1993. And it has replaced Lotus 1, 2, 3 as the industry standard for spreadsheet. Component of MS Excel. The group of tabs just below the title bar is known as ribbon. Ribbon contain different tabs such as Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Format, etc. And as here you can see plus and minus sign. Minus is used to zoom out the file and plus sign is used to zoom in the file. Here you will get 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. By default there are 3 sheets in a workbook. If you want to rename the sheet, double click and type your name, what you want to give. The cell which is currently selected is displayed with a dark black border. This is known as active cell. And the first cell of a spreadsheet program is A1. The vertical group of cells are known as columns. They are denoted by alphabets like A, B, C, D. And the horizontal group of cells are known as rows. They are denoted as number 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you want to go to a particular cell, you can write here. Suppose I want to go the last column of the sheet, then XFD 1 as will come the last cell or last column of the sheet. Again, if you are to go to first column, type A1 and press enter. Worksheet and workbook. By default, there are 3 worksheets in a workbook, and the collection of worksheet is called as workbook, and a single sheet on a workbook is called worksheet. A workbook can contain maximum number of 255 worksheets. Entering data in MS Excel. Data can be entered by simply selecting a cell. Data we can write inside the cell or in formula bar. We can enter 3 types of data in a worksheet: number, text, and formula. So in between columns, we can click and drag to adjust the column size. We can click in the cell where we want to write, and we can type our data. Here we can write either text, number, or formula. After entering the data, we might need to change some information. There are 2 ways to edit the cell content. Overwriting. Overwriting means to replace the existing content with new content. For overwrite, just select the cell and type the new content. Partial edit. In minor correction, sometimes minor corrections are required, then partial modification is used. For partial edit, just double click on the cell. So suppose I want to change the name of the student, then just click on the cell and type the new name. The previous name will removed and the new data will store there. Now here I want to change the number. In place of 88 I want some other number, 89. Then just double click. By using backspace bar, remove 8 and write the new number, suppose 9. This is known as partial edit. Formatting in MS Excel. The presentation of data and appearance of on a printed page is called formatting. Some important features of MS Excel are font style, font size, font color, and borders. For text color, select the information where you want to put color. Click on A, select your color. For text style, select the text or information. Click on font and from the drop down list select any style. For border, select the information and select all borders. For alignment, select the information and click whether you need right, left or center. In SL you can set two types of alignment, vertical and horizontal. In vertical, top, middle, bottom, and horizontal, left, right, center. For changing header color, select the cells, click on highlight color and select your color. In formatting, you can also use bold, italics and underlined. Cell styles. Cell styles are predefined formatting of a cell which give professional look to our presentation. For applying cell styles, select the cell where you want to apply the style and click cell style in styles group and select your styles. Like I want style for the first row, select it, go to style, cell styles and select any style from there. While you hand over through the styles, you can see the output. Number formatting. Excel has various options for numbers. We can specify the numbers as decimal, add commas to separate the thousand, lakhs, etc. Place currency sign before price. We can get various number options in drop-down list of number group. Suppose we have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to change this number as currency. Just go to drop-down list, select from the list currency. As you can see, one rupee symbol before the number. As my computer language is Indian English, so rupee symbol is displayed here. But if your computer language is UK English, then you can see a dollar sign. If you click on general, that number will automatically change to normal. If you click on accounting, you can see rupee symbol before the number. If you select the number type as percentage, the percentage symbol will appear after the number. Autofill. Autofill is a feature of MS Excel that allows us to fill a range of cells with series of data without typing. There are some predefined series which can be entered without typing. Some of them are weekdays, month name, series of numbers, etc. We can also create our own series. It's called custom autofill. For example, in office, name of employees can be stored in custom autofill and it can be used whenever it is required. Suppose I want to write weekdays, type Monday, at the corner of the cell, drag it. As you can see other day's name, drag it till Sunday. Here you can see all the weekdays. If you need the list of the month, type January and go to the corner of the cell and drag it till December. As you can see the month names here. If you want the series of number, you can type the first two numbers. Suppose I want the table of 5. So type 5 and 10, select these two numbers and from the corner drag it. Here you can see the series like 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. For custom autofill, go to File menu, Options. Here go to Advanced. Scroll down. Click on Edit Custom List. Click on Add. And here you type your required list. Suppose I want to write name of some students. Here you have to remember one thing, that after the word whatever you want to write, put comma to separate them. Suppose I want to write Kavita, Sayanika, Gaurav, Ranjita and Sengpo, and to separate them comma is used, and then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now come to Spreadsheet, type the first name as Kavita was there, click on the corner of the cell and drag it either vertically or horizontally. Here you can see the list of students. Autofill. Inserting charts. Charts are pictorial form of numeric data in MS Excel. MS Excel provided different type of charts that can be inserted in worksheet. Some of them are column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, radar chart, etc. A chart has different components. They are chart area, plot area, legend, data series, x-axis, y-axis, etc. As we don't need these autofills, we can select it and delete. Now suppose I want to make a chart where we have students and their scored marks. So normally charts are used to compare the values, so we'll write few more students information. Now select the information from roll number till 72. Now go to insert tab. In charts group, select column. You can choose anyone. Suppose I want to insert a column chart, and select your desired style, and from the corner you can resize the chart. Here you can see the chart, and from the chart style you can change the color. From the charts layout you can choose some different layout. As here you can see different types of colors, 2D, 3D, and from here you can change some layout. Here are some important shortcut keys of MS Excel. Function and shortcut key: undo, Ctrl Z, redo, Ctrl Y, select all, Ctrl A. Go to next cell, you can use either tab or arrow keys. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.